Good morning class. Today we will discuss about the first lesson in your English, that is the town mouse and the country mouse. So this is the first lesson of your English, that is the lesson name is the town mouse and the country mouse. So I will tell about the introduction. First, there are two mouses, one lives in country and another one lives in town. These two mouses are cousins. So one day the mouse which lives in a country writes a letter to the mouse which lives in town that I am feeling, I am not feeling well. So my doctor said that I have to take a holiday. So I thought to come to the town. So the town mouse reads the letter and replies that you can come to our town. Then after receiving reply letter from the town mouse, the country mouse pack all his clothes and all and comes to the town. So while coming in the train, the country mouse thinks that in the middle of the journey, the country mouse thinks that there would be an air conditioner because the country mouse is feeling hot and thirsty. So after entering into the town, the country mouse says that I am feeling so much hot and thirsty. Do you have any lemon juice, orange juice or any other juice for drinking? Then the town mouse says that I have water and I am searching for the coconut water. Then the country mouse says that only the coconut water? No, I want the orange juice or lemon juice. But the town mouse says that there are no oranges and lemon juices available in the town. There will be a coconut water and the water and the root and the sugar cane, etc. Then the country mouse says that how we can eat that. How we can eat that raw food? I can't eat that raw food. But the town mouse says that the raw food only available in the town. Then the two mouses goes to the town mouse home. Then the country mouse questions the town mouse that why the town is so much quiet. There is no noise in the town. Then the town mouse says that in our town there is the quiet environment, and my grandfather says that my town is the quietest town in our district. Then the country mouse says that how much quiet is your town? In our country there will be sounds of lorries, buses and vehicles, etc. Then after this discussion, the country mouse search for the place, and the town mouse says that here on the floor you should sleep. And the country mouse says that there is no something to sleep. I should sleep on the floor and the floor is so much cold. Then the town mouse replies that yes, we sleep on the floor itself. Then next morning, the country mouse asks the breakfast. Then the town mouse replies that we should go for the near farm and we should search for our breakfast every day. Then the country mouse says that in our town there used to be a lot of delicious food, fruits, juices, pizza, etc. Then the town mouse says that in our town we daily go for search of our food. Then after that they go to the nearby farm and there will be a sugarcane and all. And after coming back to home, the country mouse says that I can't live here. There is no good food and all, and I will go back to my country. And the country mouse will go back to their country. And after some days, the town mouse writes a letter to the country mouse that there is no food available in the town, so for some days I will come to your country. Then the country mouse replies to that letter that you can come. And after receiving reply letter, the town mouse packs all his clothes and all and goes to the country where the country mouse lives. Then they both come together, and the country mouse takes the town mouse to their home. The town mouse home is one backside the cupboard. So these two mouses goes into the cupboard, and after that in the night the town mouse questions the country mouse that why these lights are on in the midnight also, and what are these sounds. Then the country mouse replies that there will be a lights in the midnight also in the country, and there is the noise of buses, lorries, vehicles, cars, etc. In the town. Every 24 hours there will be a noise in the country. Then after that they go for the food. By opening the cupboard, there will be a lot of delicious fruits, vegetables, juices, pizza, cheese, and all are available in the cupboard. So the country mouse says that eat what you want. Then while having the food, suddenly there will be a sound, thunder sound. Then the country mouse says that run, run, fastly run. And two mouses run away. Two mouses run to their hole. Then after the country mouse says that be quiet, and after the noise has completely over, the country mouse and town mouse comes to the cupboard, and again they start eating, and again there will be a sound, and again they are used to run to their home, and this happens 3-4 times. Then the town mouse says that though we don't have good food in our town, but we can eat peacefully. In the country there is a lot of delicious food, but we can't eat peacefully. So our town is much better than your country. I will go back to my town and I will have some food peacefully. Here there is no peace, and I am getting headache of these sounds and all. And the town mouse went to go back to their town, and the two mouses never meet again. And here in this lesson it is clearly explained that the town is much better than country. That is, in the town there will be a peaceful environment, and there is no sounds of vehicles and all. In the country all the lives are very busy, and there will be big buildings, cars, motors, etc. So there will be a lot of sound pollution in the country. So, and in the town there is a lot somewhat food, but they can eat peacefully. And in the country there will be a lots of good food for us, but we have no time to eat that also. So by this story we can understand the life in the town as well as in the city. So this is all about this story. Here the story runs about two mouses. So hope you understand. Thank you.